You can scrape a full employee list for any company using LinkFinder AI. This product helps you discover employee details efficiently from LinkedIn and company domains. Click the first link in the video description to visit LinkFinder AI and start discovering employee lists for any company. Switch to the LinkFinder AI website to access its B2B data enrichment features for sales teams. Click Start Free Trial to create a free account and begin using LinkFinder AI's services. When you create a free account, you'll receive free credits to start finding employees for any company. Click Get Company Employees to begin searching for employee data within specific companies. You can filter employees by department such as marketing, finance, education, design, and more. Choose the department filter to narrow down your search to employees in specific departments. You can also filter employees by seniority levels, including founder, owner, C-suite, director, and partner. Choose the seniority level filter to find employees at the desired level within the company. Click the field to set the maximum number of employees to extract from your query. Fill in the maximum number of employees to extract, such as 100, to control your search scope. Click the field to enter the company domain or website for which you want to find employees. Fill in the company domain, for example tesla.com, to target your employee search. Click Enrich Data to find employees matching your filters within the specified company domain. The system found 5 employees matching your criteria for the company domain provided. Click on an employee's name to view detailed information such as title and contact details. Click Export CSV to download the list of employees found for further use. You can adjust the department filter to refine your employee search further. Choose a different department to find employees in other areas of the company. Adjust the seniority filter to target employees at different levels within the company. Choose the seniority level to refine your search for employees at specific ranks. Note that the enrichment cost is 0.5 credit per employee found, helping you manage usage. Click Enrich Data again to perform a new search with updated filters and parameters. The system found 23 employees matching the updated criteria for the company domain. You can review the full list of 23 employees found for your query. Click Export CSV to download the updated employee list for your records or outreach. Click API Access to explore programmatic ways to enrich data and integrate with your systems. Click View API Docs to access detailed instructions for using LinkFinder AI's API. Click B2B Data Lookup to explore API features for business-to-business data retrieval. Click Company Enrichment to see API capabilities for enriching company-related data. Click Get a filtered list of employees from a company domain. Filter by department and seniority to learn about filtering options. Click the curl command example to see how to request employee data programmatically. Click Parameter to review the available parameters for customizing API requests. Click the curl command example again to understand the API request structure. Click the curl command example to see detailed API usage for employee data retrieval. Click the curl command example to finalize your understanding of the API request format.